Hey everybody, this is Joe Brown from Traditions Training. I'd like to welcome you back to another one of our training videos, and thank you very much for your support over the last couple of years. This next video has a lot going on, and we know that we can't hit on everything, but as always, we hope that this video can help open up some discussion between you and your crew, and in some way help you to become better firefighters. As the video starts out, play through your mind how the changing conditions from incoming radio communications affect and adapt the perceived role of you and your crew. Enjoy.
Engine 27 way down, 42nd and lane. Engine 27, 1.5 story bungalow. Smoke showing. All over.
Utilize initial on-scene reports to assist in position-specific duties such as proper ladder selection, as well as adapting crew responsibilities to changing conditions.
I got it, go! Turn me on real quick.
Help yourself out by finding the balance point of the ladder before you take it off the rig. When throwing ladders to the front, try to approach the building with the heel first. As you approach the building, take that time to size up the smoke conditions, where lines are entering the building, and the best placement for your ladder. Avoid placing the ladder in a position that will hinder the advancement of the attack line. This would include locations such as over an entranceway or inside a loop of flaked out hose, which may become wrapped around the ladder heel as they advance into the home. Lazy smoke from everywhere is a telltale sign of a basement fire. Venting high as quickly as possible will help relieve pressure off interior crews. As we've talked about in other videos, when given the option, start venting windows on the downwind side, working upwards, removing the sashes completely. With a report of people trapped and crews conducting a primary on the first floor in the basement, a quick search inside the window will let us know the makeup of the second floor. Being combat ready includes being able to complete tasks with your gloves on, such as donning your face piece quickly, saving time and maybe someone's life. It doesn't take long to realize that the area inside the dormers is being used for storage by the occupants, allowing us to shift our focus away from rescue and back to vertical ventilation. Working as a team doesn't mean holding hands. While my complement of tools allows me to quickly horizontally ventilate and sweep inside the dormer windows, my partner has staged the complement of our ventilation tools at the tip of the ground ladder. horizontal ventilation complete and smoke conditions not improving for interior crews, it's time to head to the peak for vertical ventilation. When venting a peaked roof, start with your ridge line cut first, working away from the ridge with your remaining cuts, avoiding working over top of your hole. One of the most common shortfalls of vertical ventilation is an undersized vent hole. You're already on the roof, make sure your cuts are long enough and wide enough to provide adequate ventilation for crews working underneath. From our first cut, we can tell that we have fire conditions in the attic, making it even more important that we get the roof opened up as quickly as possible to assist interior crews. Do yourself a favor and place a knockout point with an extra cut on the far side of your vent opening. It may come in handy. Your final cut should be on the bottom side of your opening so that you're not working over top of your previous cuts. Once you've finished your cut, do not turn off your saw as you may need it again. Place it to the side and grab your hand tool. Use a long-handled tool to punch out your previously cut purchase point, allowing you to maintain leverage on the cut material. Pull the material towards you, using it as a shield between you and the smoke and fire venting from the opening. Once the hole is open, your job is done. No need to admire your work. Grab your tools and get off the roof. Once you get to a safe location, it's usually a good time to give command an update on conditions. However, with the increased radio communications of the new age fire service, good luck getting a word in. If you can't get through, don't waste time, get off the roof and do a face-to-face. This last portion of the video will provide you with an idea of the result of a well-ventilated structure. Vertical ventilation relieves pressure off of interior crews, allowing them to locate the attic access stairs in a small first-floor closet. Unfortunately, the stairs had burned through, but ventilation bought them time to make a strategy change without firefighter injury. Hope you enjoyed that video. From myself and the rest of us over at Traditions Training, we thank you for tuning in. Stay safe and let no man's ghost say his training let him down.